So welcome to the Tagalog quiz section. Aisha, what song is this? San pupunta? Bit-bit mo ang iyong mga paa, di na mauulit pa, mga kamay ko'y nakatali blank.
Na.
Very good. What is the name of the song and sino ang kumanta?
Moira.
No.
Charot. Saan pupunta?
San
Up Dharma
pupunta?
Down.
Bit-bit mo ang iyong mga paa, di na mauulit pa, mga kamay ko'y nakatali na. Okay, alam mo yung
Give up.
kanta? Eto, ipa-play ko yung kanta.
Someway. It's your sound. Naghang ka ba?
Naririnig mo yung kanta?
Hindi. You have to share
Hindi mo
sound.
naririnig. O sige, play ko sa TV. Sandali kasi minsan yung title na di-display sa screen. Hello, hello. One order of chicken McDo, one fries, one spaghetti, one burger, quarter pounder, and one McFlurry. Anything else, ma'am?
I would like more money, please.
You have all the money in the world.
So how was your trip to the doctors?
Very good, very nice.
Do you like your doctor?
Yeah.
What is this song? When was this even released?
Oh my god.
When was it released? I cannot see it. Oh, when was the song released?
Ang tawag sa
What?
kanta ay Patawarin by Fred Ingay.
I don't even know.
Ang sunod na kanta ay Iba ang iyong ngiti, di matatagpuan. Kahit saan, wala rito sa mundo at wala rin sa buwan.
What's Where's the blank?
And never mind the blank, just guess the song.
Title is one.
No, it's not. Here, I'll play the song.
The first pet ni baby, Johnson's milk plus rice ang love natin. Trust me.
May ad. Would you like a banana?
Oh, sure. How are you gonna give it? So, how's your trip to the doctor?
Great, awesome. Listen to the song.
Awesome. I can't hear anything.
Do you know the song?
I couldn't hear it straight. It's like choppy.
I think I can share the sound, right?
Yeah, you can just share sound. Don't need to
Share
share don't need to
sound.
share
Share
screen. Yeah.
sound. Okay.
That's screen sharing.
No,
You
it's
can
also
just share
sharing
sound.
the sound.
Okay.
So you can
Then,
see
but
my
don't,
screen.
yeah, exactly. Don't share your screen, just the sound.
Don't look na lang. How do
Oh, look.
look away
You see
first.
the
Look
share.
away, look away. Look away. Charot,
Okay, I'm
kinamot.
not looking. I'm not looking. There's something blocking it.
Aray. Okay, ay hiyos. Kaso, keso, puko, lampot, tissues, paros, kalo,
Is that the
kimpot,
lyrics?
chitoy. Nakikita. Paano to? Paano ha? Paano ba? Huwag ka na lang tumingin sa screen.
Hindi nga ako nakatingin. Hindi ako nakatingin. May nakatakip.
Paano ba? Sabing share sound lang. Bakit may
Doon ka
kasama
sa
yung screen?
advance. Doon ka sa advance.
Ito. Ito ba?
Advance.
Advanced? Anong advanced?
Yeah. So like you press share and then there's like
Alam
advance.
ko na. Oh, ito na lang i-share ko. Yan.
Or remove your share screen.
Anong nakikita mo? Nakikita mo yung Spotify?
Yeah.
Sandali. Share, tapos share sound, tapos yung screen
Hindi, yung taas advanced screen,
advanced.
something up.
PowerPoint as
Yes,
background.
and just share
PowerPoint
sound.
as back portion of screen. Ano yung i-click ko?
Advanced, tapos computer audio, I think.
Okay na? Anong
Oo.
nakikita mo?
Wala, tayong mukha natin.
Ito yung sound. Ibang yung ngiti.
Di matatagpuan
Di matatagpuan
kahit saan.
Wala rito
sa mundo
at wala rin sa buwan.
at wala rin sa buwan.
Kailangan mong kantahin yung kanta based off memory.
You should have said that before I listened to it.
Ibibigay ko sa yung lyrics, pero kakantahin mo pa rin. Ito na sa chat box.
Iba ang iyong ngiti, di matagpuan. Saan wala rito, sa mundo wala rin sa buwan.
Oh, that's nice. So the name of the song is none other than Ibang Planeta by Zild.
Oh.
Okay, next naman na kanta ay Kahit natambay ako, umiinom at naninigarilyo, nalalasing sa pag-ibig mo, kaya iniwan ko na ang aking bisyo.
Can you play it?
Kahit natambay ako, umiinom at naninigarilyo,
Okay. Okay.
The name of the
Kahit
song.
na tambay ako, umiinom at naninigarilyo, nalalasing sa pag-ibig mo, kaya iniwan ko na aking bisyo.
Oh, that was so
Nailed
bad.
it. Sino ba yung engay na yan? Ang engay niya.
Meron kasing time na naghakot ako ng mga OPM tapos siya yung nasa ng playlist. So, kahit na tambay by Fred Ingay. Ang susunod naman na kanta ay Honey May, I Taste Some of Your Sweetness. Pour it over me so recklessly. Have all my attention. Give me your affection, baby.
Honey, may I taste some of your sweetness? Pour it over me so recklessly. Have all my attention. Give me your affection, baby. Ooh, your
Honey, may I taste some of your sweetness? I don't know. I'll guess the title. Probably Honey Bee.
No, it's Honey May.
Huh? Honey May!
By Jarlo Basse. Or
Oh,
Jarlo
close
Bass.
enough.
Honey, may I taste some of your sweetness? Sorry. I can't sing right now. My tonsils are shot. Shot to hell, babes. Next naman na kanta ay You're a beautiful sunrise. You make my day so bright. Your smile is contagious. Such a cute surprise. Yeah, we're getting away. Yeah, we're getting away. Life isn't so bad.
The title could be
You're a beautiful sunrise. You make my day so bright. Your smile is contagious. Such a cute surprise. You're getting away, we're getting away. We're getting away. Life isn't so bad. Yeah, we're getting away, we're getting away.
wow. The song title could be Beautiful Life.
It's a
With
beautiful
you.
life. Oh, oh, it's a beautiful life. It's sunrise.
Beautiful
By
Life
Fred
with you.
Ingay. Sunrise.
Sunrise.
It's a beautiful life,
sunrise.
life. Oh, oh, it's a beautiful life.
Ooh, wow.
It's a song by Christopher? No, that's not it.
How about we try worship songs?
Not yet. I'm
I
not
could
there
I
yet.
could guess a lot
It's a
of worship
beautiful life.
songs.
Sino kumanta nun?
I could
Oh,
guess a lot of
wow.
worship songs.
It's Ace of Base.
Huh?
Oh.
Baby, I'm pregnant, she said.
Baby, I'm
Pregnant?
pregnant, she said.
Pregnant yung guy?
She said, sabi niya.
It's a beautiful life. Oh, oh. It's a beautiful life. Oh, oh. It's a beautiful life. Oh, oh. I just
Oh, wow, wow, oh, 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 wow, wow. Oh, 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 papa, pa-da-da. I found a new life. You would hardly recognize me. I'm so glad. How could a person
Change
like
angle.
you care for him? How could a new love be so unadulterated? Ooh, but is it enough to show I saw the sign?
Don't mind me. I'm gonna plancha.
Oh, next na tayo
And
na,
it
na
opened up
part.
my eyes.
Next na tayo na part. Thank you for our Tagalog section.